In front of me is OnePlus 12R, and today I would like to show you how you can add audio or video file to text message. Begin by launching Messages app and selecting or creating a chat. Now tap on this plus at the bottom left corner. And firstly, to add an audio file, select Files. Now to look for your file, tap on Audio at the top of Recent Ones. Access one of those apps, or click on those three lines at the top left corner to pick one of those sources. After locating your file, just hold it and tap on Select at the top right corner to attach it. If you want to add a video one, select Gallery section instead of Files. Tap on your video over here if it's recent. And decide if you wish to send it as Google Photos link or low quality video. Then hit Add at the bottom right corner. If your video isn't recent, select Folders. Look for it over here and click on it. Then tap on one of those options again, but this time select Just Once or Always. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!